The forthcoming report by the Transnational Law Clinic at King College London paints a deeply disturbing picture of the deteriorating human rights situation for Muslims in India. The findings expose a systematic pattern of persecution in BJP-governed states such as Uttar Pradesh and Assam, raising serious questions about the directions of the world's so-called largest democracy. Behind the political rhetoric of nationalism and development, an increasingly aggressive form of Hindu majoritarianism appears to be reshaping the country's social and political landscape. The report's documentation of encounter killings, arbitrary detentions, and the notorious practice of bulldozer justice reflects an alarming normalization of state-backed intimidation. In Uttar Pradesh, the killing of Muslims in staged police encounters and the demolition of Muslims' homes and businesses, they often without due process, illustrate how state institutions are being weaponized against a specific religious community. Even rulings by India's Supreme Court declaring such demolitions unconstitutional have done little to halt the practice. Equally troubling is the situation in Assam, where the National Register of Citizens threatens to strip up 2 billion Bengali-speaking Muslims of their citizenship. Combined with forced evictions and deadly shootings by state actors, the process appears less like a bureaucratic exercise and more like a calculated attempt to marginalize and disenfranchise an entire community. The dramatic surge in hate speech incidents, most of them targeting Muslims, further underscores how intolerance is being legitimized in the public sphere. When such rhetoric flourishes alongside discriminating policies and violent policing, it signals a broader ideological shift toward Hindus' fascism. If these patterns continue unchecked, India's risk eroding up these democratic principles it claims to uphold. The international community must recognize that the growing climate of Islamophobia and impunity threatens not only Indian minority but also the credibility of its democratic institutions.